Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have an exciting tutorial for all you aspiring programmers out there. In this video, we'll be diving into the wonderful world of Java. Java is a versatile and widely used programming language that has been powering everything from mobile applications to enterprise level systems. Especially Java is known for its simplicity, portability, and robustness. So whether you are a beginner or you are looking to expand your programming skills, learning Java definitely it will be a great choice. Now you might be wondering, what can I do with Java? Well, the possibilities are virtually endless. You can create desktop applications, and also you can build web services. Also, you can develop Android apps, and even you can design games. Java's flexibility and extensively library supports make it an ideal language for tackling with a wide range of projects. One of the key strengths of Java, it is write once and run anywhere. Write once, run anywhere. This means that once you write your Java code, you can run it on any platform that it has a Java virtual machine installed. This makes Java highly portable and ensures that your application can reach a vast audience, especially Java virtual machine. We normally call it as JVM. Another great feature of Java is its object-oriented nature. Java uses classes and objects. Classes and objects to organize its code, making it easier to manage complex problems. This powerful paradigm allows for code reusability, modularity, and efficient problem solving. To get started with Java, you will need few tools. The first thing you'll need is the Java Development Kit, JDK, which includes the Java compiler, Java runtime environment, and also the essential tools to run a Java program. You can download the JDK from the official Java website for free. Additionally, you'll need a text editor or an IDE. IDE means Integrated Development Environment. There are some popular IDEs. Some of them are IntelliJ IDE, NetBeans. For this course, we will use VS Code. These IDEs offer powerful features like code auto completion, debugging tools, and project management capabilities. In this video tutorials, we'll cover the basics of Java step by step. We'll start with the fundamentals such as variables, data types and control structures. Then we'll move on to more advanced topics like object-oriented programming, exception handling, file input outputs, and some other advanced features in Java. By the end of this series, you'll have a solid foundation in Java programming and be well equipped to tackle your own projects. We'll also provide practical examples and exercises to reinforce your learning along the way. So whether you are interested in building your own Android apps, or creating a powerful web series, or exploring the vast world of software development, this Java tutorial is for you. So guys, get ready to embark on this exciting journey with us and we unlock the potential of Java together. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming episodes. That's for now. Stay tuned for the first episode of our Java tutorial series, which will be coming soon as possible. Until then, happy coding.